When considering window installation in Frederick, Maryland, one of the most critical, and often overlooked, factors is the local weather. Frederick's unique mid-Atlantic climate plays a pivotal role in determining not only the best time of year to install windows but also the type of windows best suited to handle the region's seasonal extremes. Whether you're building a new home or upgrading your current one, understanding how weather impacts your window installation can save you time, money, and hassle in the long run. Seasonal temperature swings. Frederick experiences a wide range of temperatures throughout the year, from humid summers with highs in the 90s to freezing winters where lows can dip below 20 degrees Fahrenheit. These fluctuations make energy efficiency a top priority for homeowners. Improperly installed windows or low-quality frames can expand and contract with temperature changes, leading to warping, air leakage, and higher utility bills. What you need. Look for double or triple pane insulated glass windows with low E coatings. These types of windows minimize heat transfer, keeping your home cool in summer and warm in winter. Vinyl or fiberglass frames are also excellent choices because they're less likely to expand and contract with the weather compared to wood. Humidity and moisture management. High humidity during the summer months and frequent rainfall in spring and fall can pose a serious threat to window frames and seals. Excess moisture can seep into poorly installed or low-grade windows, leading to mold growth, rot, or even structural damage over time. What you need. A moisture-resistant installation method is crucial. This includes the use of high-quality flashing, waterproof caulking, and professional-grade sealants. Investing in vinyl or aluminum-clad windows can also reduce the risk of moisture damage while extending the life of your installation. Winter weather and installation timing. Winter in Frederick brings snow, ice, and freezing temperatures, which are less than ideal for window installation. Cold weather can make sealants and adhesives brittle, potentially compromising the integrity of the installation. Additionally, working conditions for contractors are less safe and more difficult during icy or snowy weather. What you need. Plan your window installation between late spring and early fall when temperatures are moderate and conditions are optimal for adhesives and insulation to set correctly. If winter installation is unavoidable, make sure your installer uses cold weather-rated materials and takes extra precautions to prevent drafts during the process. Wind and storm resistance. Frederick is no stranger to strong wind gusts and the occasional severe storm. Wind-driven rain and debris can cause significant damage to subpar window installations. What you need. Consider impact-resistant windows or those with reinforced frames and locks. These offer added protection not only against weather events but also provide an extra layer of security. Proper installation ensures that the window is firmly anchored to prevent rattling, leakage, or breakage under pressure. The importance of professional installation. Given the climate complexities in Frederick, window installation is not a DIY job. A professional understands how to account for thermal expansion, moisture control, and insulation needs that vary by season. Skimping on installation quality may lead to higher energy bills, recurring repairs, and a shorter lifespan for your windows. What you need: choose a local, licensed window contractor with experience in Frederick's weather conditions. They'll know which materials perform best in the area and can offer warranties that give you peace of mind. Final thought: Frederick's weather demands thoughtful planning and high-quality materials for window installation. From insulating against cold winters to managing summer humidity, your windows are a year-round investment in comfort and energy efficiency. By working with knowledgeable professionals and choosing climate-appropriate materials, you can ensure your window installation stands up to everything Frederick's weather throws at it.